Mm. Hey guys, what's up? How's everybody doing on this beautiful, beautiful Monday? It is Monday. What's today? Today is Monday, guys. Monday, September the 16th, I think it is. I'm headed out to work. And I said I'll turn the camera on just for a minute. I already got my lunch packed and everything. I'll show you guys that, but I gotta do something with this hair. I'll probably take these loose. I don't know. What do y'all think? But I know I gotta put a cap on. Gotta put that cap on. Okay? Put that cap on. Doing the shades to make it all right. So I don't know if y'all can see OOTD. I'll show y'all in a minute. Look. Floriental tuberose is banging, and it smells so good. Too bad y'all can't. Wait a minute. It ain't coming. I only got a little bit left, so we gotta be sparingly. But I can't wait to show y'all in this vlog a new cologne that I got. Yes, it's a cologne. It's not a perfume. It's a cologne, but it's pure and it smells good. But y'all, this is OOTD workout tire. Okay, so let's go pack the lunch, and I'll see you guys in a minute. I need to hurry up because I like to clock in early. But go check out my other channel, Simply Black Vegan. I made some cabbage the other day, but is the cabbage on there? No, something else is on there. I made this cabbage yesterday. So just watch the new video. Okay. So I got cabbage with sweet potatoes, carrots, sweet potatoes, and the cabbage. And then I just have those waffle fries. And then I have my water, and I have my good old smoothie. And yeah, guys. That's my lunch, just trying to get it up in here. And I hope I don't leave the last time I worked, I left my smoothie container there. But I ended up finding it the next day I went to work. I'll be back. She's back. So what is going on with me? Well, as you can see, she's on her way to work. I hope and pray that I turned that cabbage off. I warmed that cabbage up, but I'm thinking, like, did I turn off the eye? That's my only thing. I'd be really nervous because you can't remember everything. But y'all, just been working on myself, working on my health, my fitness, eating healthy, keeping all the crazy stuff out of my life. I'm doing well mentally, physically. I'm working on myself mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually, all that great stuff. I'm about to use the rest of this. Y'all see that? I only got a little bit left. I just spray this on in the car. I spray it on my little air freshener thing just to give some extra so I can get rid of it. But yeah, that's about it. And then too, a lot of y'all said y'all like the baby's room so far. So update on that. I'm waiting on my daughter to get the paint. So as soon as she gets the paint, because she has the swatch to match the bed, then I will paint it. I will finish hanging up the shelves. This lady is driving extremely slow in front of me. Like, come on, I gotta go. So once she gets the paint, like I said, I will get that done. What else is going on? Y'all, remember me telling y'all the story about the lady at my job? Like, she just didn't like me for no reason. She didn't work there no more. She doesn't even work there no more. I meant to tell y'all that a couple weeks ago. She's been gone. And I think, I never asked like why she left, but I did overhear somebody saying, she said it was mixing with her other schedule or something. No, the Most High was like, this lady right here, you gonna leave her alone because she ain't gotta talk to you, she ain't gotta speak to you. Y'all, he will elevate your stuff. He will elevate he will remove those people. He will remove those people. Because it was no reason, sorry Father Jingling, but it was no reason. But I just wanted to update y'all on that particular, scenario. But other than that, y'all been doing great. So I can't wait to show y'all this perfume. Well, no, that cologne that I'm talking about. But yeah, I'm almost there, and I will see you guys in the next part of this vlog. Okay, trying to think, is that it? Yeah, that's it for now. I'll see you guys. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at this. So pretty. Y'all, I'm done. I'm so done. I'll see you guys on another day. Another day, another dollar. Right? She made it. She made it. Hey guys, good morning. Thanks for stopping by. Just want to show y'all this vitamin C serum is almost empty, and we're going to be starting our new one pretty soon. But y'all know I have to chime in and do my face care because a lot of you care about what I use on my skin. So here I'm just putting on my clothing and doing my face care, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. Hey y'all, I'm trying to get my camera and stuff adjusted so I can show y'all something. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. You guys, I went to Rose's and I bought this perfume. Well, it is called, for men, Our Homie ED perfume. So it is a perfume, but it is cologne. Can y'all see that? This is Woody Blanc. And it's supposed to be compared to Tom Ford. And I'm gonna tell y'all what is the notes. When I smelled this in the store, I was like, you got to be kidding me. This is amazing. These, the notes are tobacco leaf, vanilla, and spice element. So I'll hold it here so y'all can see the notes. Can y'all see the notes? Oh my gosh, this smells so good. And the bottle is like beautiful. The bottle is beautiful. Hopefully y'all can see me. Hopefully y'all can see me pretty good. Okay, is that cool? Oh my gosh, look at it. Look at it. Look at the aesthetics. Can y'all look? Let me hold it back some. Can y'all see it now? Beautiful, right? I know. The bottle, and oh my gosh. Let's open. This smells just like Tom Ford, y'all. I'm for real. Look how beautiful. Look at that bottle. Look at that. I'm gonna put some on today. Y'all, I got it last Wednesday, and y'all know Wednesdays are 20% off in there. So go find it. This smells amazing. This smells amazing. I'm gonna put some on my bed. It smells like a man, but it smells good. It's masculine, but at the same time, it's like you could use it as a woman. So I just wanted to show y'all that. And I got, this gonna be looking real nice. Look, put that right here for now. Look at that. This just the receipt, so I can show y'all. I paid $2 and y'all probably won't be able to see, but $2 and some change. So y'all know over here, I don't have anything like here but my pumpkin and like my coaster, and like I keep like floss and stuff like that, fingernail file, and then my thing for my face. So I end up I found this beautiful Bosch, y'all, at the Goodwill. Do y'all see that? It was only $2. No, it was $3. And then I was able to get I got a 35% off coupon. So I'll probably go to another Goodwill, like somewhere far, far away. I don't need anything though, really, y'all. All I want to do is get my pot set and get my clock. And there's some other things I need, but that's like, as far as like car, little trucks to stuff. But this is so cute. So I'm going to put that here, but I'm going to do some switching out of, not switching out, but I'm just going to do, because y'all know I don't have any decoration right here at all. Only thing I have is this pumpkin, right? So I put that there. That's going to stay in here. And then I found this beautiful candle in this box right here. Now, all these things that I'm showing y'all, this and the candle were $1. So I don't have a candle in here, so I can reuse this candle for making my products. And that was a reason why I got it. But this is the candle. And I'll read to you what it says. It says, smells like abandonment. made of 100%, the audacity, with hints of betrayal, fears, and still happy for you. Look at that. But it smells amazing, y'all. And it's lavender, 100% soy wax scented candle. And like I said, that's what it looks like that. Okay. And it smells amazing. So we're gonna light this. I'm gonna light it for the time being that I'm in here right now. And let it smell up the place. And then I'll give y'all a better view, okay? And I think over time, if I find me a nice twig, a real fall twig, like a nice colored branch, I'll put it in this vase here. So, yeah. All right, guys, we're at Ross. I don't know what time it is. It might be, it's 3:30. So I'm over here and we're gonna go see about their pots. And then if I can show y'all anything else, I might do that. Making sure I got my key inside my purse. You know how that goes. You know how that goes. Oh, y'all, my leg hurt. Oh, my leg is killing me. My leg is killing me. Get my baby. Get my baby back there. My black beauty. Myself too, y'all. So let's get to the Ross. I'll check back in with y'all in a second. Pillows, y'all, they got a lot of pillows. Look at that. That's nice. Y'all know I don't need no pillows. I ain't getting no pillows, but I'm just showing y'all what they have. She ain't getting no pillows, but she will go and get is pot set if they have it. Let me show y'all some more stuff. Oh, this is cute. That is nice. Y'all know I'm not getting that. Oh, y'all, these are cute. Are these marked down? What'd that say? $9. Oh, y'all, those are nice. Look. Like little candle holders. This is all their home decor. This is really nice right here. I like that. I like that. Y'all know I love wood. That is cute. Oh my God, here's a little pedestal table. This is nice. This is nice. How much are you? How much are you? Okay. I told y'all I was gonna get it. All right, y'all. It smells so good up in here. That one little candle from earlier I showed y'all this morning, that candle has the whole house smelling marvelous, okay? But yeah, hold on, y'all. Trying to see if this will work from here. Turn on my I call this it's a humidifier, not a diffuser. I think I said before. Y'all, that brain. Anyway, earlier I said I was going to show y'all something. So I found this pillow. Now, don't come for me, because I know how y'all could be. I know. Sonya, you said you ain't buying nothing. I know, y'all. I know. But this was only $1. Look at it. So I'm going to take this in my office and set it in my chair. I'm going to do that with y'all. And then, yeah, we're going to see how that goes. All right. So let's take this in the office. All right. All right, guys. So look, I think that is so pretty like that. Now, you know the back is open, so that's fine. But I can always put it like this as well. Let's do it with the tag off like that. So it doesn't matter. I still can sit there, but it's so pretty, y'all. It is so pretty. For $1, you can't beat that. And it goes, look at, it goes with everything, y'all. Goes with everything, doesn't it? I know. I so appreciate you guys for hanging out with me today. It has been a joy. It has been a joy, and it has been truly a blessing. I love what I do. I love the content that I make, and I'm not going to stop. You know what I mean? So anyways, y'all, I want to, let me just say this. I want to spend less on things and spend more on seeing things like traveling and stuff like that. So that's what that's my goal. My goal is to do more with my money. I just got a credit card, y'all. Like, I haven't had a credit card in years. Like, that's a long story. Y'all probably like, this a grown woman, she had no credit card. No, I paid cash for everything. You guys know I paid cash for my appliances, things like that. So anything I could pay cash for, I just believe in paying cash. But right now in my life, I just need my pot set. I'm probably going to order it online and show y'all. And then, like I said, I have the other things I want to buy, basically it's like to hold my bike. I'll show y'all over time. But mainly my pot set, because I want to give. There's somebody that lives in my city that's a YouTuber, and I want to bless her with a pot set. So once I get my pot set, I will bless her with my old pot set, which is the cruising art. I have all the pieces, but I'm going to close out this video, y'all. I appreciate y'all hanging out with me. And always remember to do what? Love yourself enough, okay? Love yourself enough so that you'll be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm about to make me a salad. I'm hungry. I'll see y'all. It was fun, but she got to run.